Here's the soldering station that I use, and I also have, because I don't want to breathe solder fumes, I have a little fume sucker up there. So we have to fasten components to the board. Most of it's fairly straightforward. I use sockets like this so that I can replace a defective component if necessary. I'm going to pull in a piece of tape to make sure it doesn't fall off before I get it soldered on. I recommend soldering these 8-pin sockets for practice before soldering on the pie board chip, which is the most critical component. So I'm going to start the solder sucker here. And you want to heat the pin so it gets hot and melts the solder. So you may want to use sockets with shorter pins. These long pins are designed for wire wrapping, which is useful if you need to make any changes.